Hi, today we are going to see how to create a Google Chrome. So firstly, go to your browser, then in the search bar, type forms.google.com. After coming this interface, you have to click in big plus bank. Here this type of interface will come. It is your created new Google Form. From here you can give the form name, from description, and here is your questions answer. It can be multiple choice or checkboxes, drop down, etc. In the right we can see that you can add question, import question, add title and description. You can also add image, videos and sections. So after completing this, it will automatically save in your Google Drive and you can also send it from here. Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, give the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.